So,
but you're not gonna accost me.
I'm about to put you in cuffs if you don't stop your shit.
You're not gonna put me in cuffs.
We need your name.
Because I will put my lawyer on you.
Florida, a hotel. A guest who had already been warned 3 times, and a man who was absolutely certain his lawyer could fix this. May 12. Lounge handling RCC. Officers responded to a Florida hotel after reports of an intoxicated male confronting guests, refusing to calm down. Florida Statute 856. 011. Disorderly intoxication. Being intoxicated in public in a way that endangers others or causes a disturbance. A second-degree misdemeanor. Up to 60 days. Then, he wasn't just drinking outside. He'd already been inside approaching female guests in the lobby. Officers asked for his name, his ID, his room number. He gave them one thing instead, a lawyer.
So we got a call about somebody.
What are you talking about?
So we got a call, that's why I'm here.
No, sir.
Well, it wasn't from you, it was from somebody else. But
What call are you talking about?
well, something about.
No, sir.
Well, you could ask me a question, not let me answer.
Alright, I was just telling you, sir.
Like, do you-
whatever you call about,
You guys all stay here?
it's not. Yes, sir. But right here, this is young man.
You what? Are you staying here at the hotel?
Yeah.
No.
But
him.
it's just, we're just hanging out the whole time, right here at the curb.
Okay, but
And,
are you a guest here at the hotel?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're already guests at this hotel. And
No, come on. I am a guest there.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
He is moved from the property.
That's all right.
Here, stay right here for a minute. I'm talking to you. What room are you staying in?
What?
What room do you stay in?
314.
He went with me. He went with me.
Yeah. What are you talking about, man?
I get that, but
Are you talking about in a sexual manner?
no.
Is that what you're talking about?
I'm asking.
Are you talking
what
about
room
a
you
se-
here?
No, you're talking about a sexual manner. That's what we're talking about?
No.
No, okay. That's not what we're talking about.
Okay. So,
The
listen-
manner that we're talking about.
can you listen to the things that I'm telling you?
No.
Because you're not listening. So,
I understand.
No.
Look.
what room are you staying in?
Give me
here?
a second. Give me a second. You see that man right there? He's not talking about a sexual manner. The man's going on
No,
there.
a single person here said anything. So, or a
But
single manner.
the way you coming to me
Is because
it's like I'm trying to be attacked. Actually, you okay?
You what?
We're not being attacked.
Stay.
He worked with me.
That's okay.
Okay, but
And
where?
my partner, we worked with me.
What,
Yeah.
room, what room here are you staying in?
314, man.
314. Was that
Yeah.
hard?
But the way you're coming at me,
No,
As a-
shut up, bro. Shut up.
I'm being attacked.
That's very weird and
That's
awkward,
not-
but you
no,
somehow
no.
got that. So listen to what I'm saying. So you stay here at 314.
Yes.
So you stay here. How long have you been staying here?
More than a week.
Okay.
Our company,
And it's not that type of deal.
We come in, we supposed to start working on Tuesday.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Well, why are you coming at me?
No, shut the fuck up, bro.
because once for the third time that I'm saying this, we got a complaint that
All right.
you're too intoxicated by
Okay.
yourself out back here.
We're not gonna be intoxicated anymore.
So listen to what I'm saying.
Okay.
They don't want you to stay here anymore because you're causing problems.
But this is
All
my
right.
partner.
Well, I'm gonna tell my partner.
I get that.
We're not
but
gonna
listen.
we're not gonna start that shit.
Listen to what I'm saying.
I
okay?
get you. Well, we're not doing
We're-
anything. That's what
Yeah, that
you
out of
came up to
nowhere.
me
So
like I was saying, trying to do something. That's the way I would be arrested.
do you have your ID with you?
Yes,
Where's it at?
it's upstairs in my room.
It's upstairs in your room.
Yes.
Okay. What are you got? Do you have an ID out of Florida or another state?
I'm just gonna let you know. I got a lawyer.
That's fantastic. Once again,
If you want to talk to my lawyer,
once again,
before you talk to me,
what's your name?
for representation,
What's your friend's name?
you're not gonna represent me. No, you're not. You're not gonna talk to me before
you
you're
have
gonna
about
represent.
2 seconds to give me the information that I'm asking you.
Okay, Roger, man. I want to give you all the information that you want to be satisfied with. Okay.
What room are you in?
314.
Okay.
So
But you're not gonna accost me.
I'm about to put you in cuffs if you don't stop your shit.
You're not gonna put me in cuffs
We need your name.
because I will put my lawyer on you.
We need your
It's not gonna happen. I will. This is. I'm telling you, my will. I am going to talk to you.
They don't want him to stay here anymore, so that's not an option.
I'm not doing anything here.
Listen to me. Because you're having a really hard time because of how much you drank to listen to me.
No. It's just the thing is, I understand what you're saying. But in the manner that you're coming at me, it's not. I have not done anything wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna get my lawyer.
Are you guys just in town for work or something?
You want to give me my lawyer?
Yes, sir.
You want to get my
I don't
lawyer?
care if you call a lawyer. But I'm telling you right now,
My lawyer, right?
GDS.
you're
Yeah, I give a
intoxicated
shit
to the
about
point where
lawyer.
you're about to go somewhere.
You're bro. You're bro. Shit,
Calm
said
down,
you gonna
calm
give
down.
a shit. about my
Let
lawyer.
me handle.
So
let me
we're-
handle.
we're
let me
just
handle
That's
it.
what he said.
Let me
That's what
handle
he
it.
said,
Let me
though.
handle it. Let me
He don't
handle
give a shit about my lawyer.
it. Let me handle it.
He don't give a shit about my
Hold on,
lawyer.
David.
He said he don't give a shit about my lawyer.
I know you gotta.
That's what he
Hold
said.
on, David. Hold on.
That's what he said.
Hold on.
He don't give a shit about my lawyer.
You just
I'm sorry, but that's my bro.
I know.
But he said he don't give a shit about my
I
lawyer.
know. Hold on, man.
That's what he told me.
Bring it down, man.
That's what he told me.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get my lawyer.
Do you know why we're talking to you?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, because I have been alcoholized, and my friends told me to go inside.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah, that's why it is. That's what it is.
So the hotel's not wanting you here anymore. Is a problem.
Yeah, that's not what the hotel said.
That's what they're telling
my,
us.
my friend told me
That's what they're telling
that
us.
we're gonna go inside to perimeters that they talked about
Well, so the hotel's
to
telling
go
us.
inside to go to sleep.
The hotel's telling us that they don't want you here anymore. Did you ask us for quarters?
Anybody that's spoken with that was decent. I just came back from the store and
She don't even know. She don't even know, bro.
Always-
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
okay.
exactly.
We can't really.
Exactly. Yeah,
It's about what's going on.
I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Okay.
I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Okay.
Can I just go to sleep?
Well, the hotel's telling us that they want to trespass.
No, that's not what the hotel said.
Invoking a lawyer is a legal right under Miranda versus Arizona. If a suspect clearly invokes counsel, questioning must stop. He didn't invoke it. He threatened it, then kept talking. Every voluntary statement made after Miranda is waived belongs to the prosecution. He waived it, then explained himself. At length. Meanwhile, officers went to the source. The hotel manager was watching the whole time.
That's what they told us.
I just heard the hotel.
Well, that wasn't the hotel. It was some just hanging out from the store. The hotel is the girl in the green
Went to the
shirt.
hotel. We're
What's the
talking
hotel?
to you.
I know.
He's talking to me.
Yeah, but I got to do what the hotel's asking me.
That's not what it said.
That's what they said, man. That's
Yeah,
that's the whole reason that I'm here.
yeah. And this boy right here talking about fuck me, fuck my rights.
Not fuck your
That's
ass.
what he said. That's what he said.
didn't say
No,
fuck your
that's what he said. That's what he said.
That's not what it said.
Oh yeah, that's what he care about my rights, right? That's all right. Man.
Is he local?
You from Atlanta?
The foreman?
Yo, but you said my rights, though, right?
No,
My
he
rights
was just talking about your
my
lawyer
rights
because you're not.
Can I get my places?
No, we
Can I
can't go
get
inside
my
right now.
camera and stuff?
We can't go inside right now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck my rights, right?
Shut up, bro.
That's what you said.
Shut up, bro.
I call my fucking lawyer on that shit. What? You think I'm not protected? What? You think I'm not somebody?
That's not what he said.
Yo, no, that's not right. You do what
Come on,
you
bro.
do to me.
Dude, can't.
So we can't.
I was good to you. I was good to you.
Diego,
I was good to
listen
you.
to what I'm saying.
If we can change this, we can change this.
Diego,
Let's change it. Let's change it.
you're not listening to what I'm saying.
Let's change it.
To your mic in about
Can
3
we
seconds.
change it?
Change what?
Let's change everything.
Diego, what are you talking about?
Him, he knows.
Okay.
Let's
He's trying to
change
get
it.
your information because the hotel wants you trespassed. And that's it.
Let's change it everything.
That doesn't make any sense.
He knows what I'm talking about. Let's change it
Once
everything.
again, you're going to be trespassed from the hotel, so you're going to figure out somewhere else to go.
Okay.
Call the problem with us.
Okay, but here's the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, you got to find somewhere to go. You can't drive anywhere, etc.
That's right.
You gotta call
But
him, bro.
you are not going to tell me
And Caleb,
that
bro.
I'm a person. I don't want to hear what you have to say, sir.
Okay.
We already heard it. We already heard it. We already heard it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this causing a general disturbance for you to the point where you're willing to write a
he was,
statement?
he was.
Hold on.
Don't approach me. He was yelling at me in the lobby
Okay.
when I told him to not approach a female that was sitting in the lobby.
Okay.
That's his second female that he tried to approach tonight. I've already had several
That's
people
fine.
talk to him.
Okay.
He's not complying at this point, and he's sitting there yelling at me.
Okay.
So
Would
yeah,
you
I'm sorry,
would you be willing
I'm
to fill out
sorry.
a statement?
huh?
Would you be willing to fill out a statement?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Disorderly intox? Cool.
She told them he had yelled at her in the lobby and that this was the second female guest he had approached that evening. That's a witness statement. On record, from a hotel employee willing to sign it, he had spent the last 9 minutes explaining himself out loud to the officers, building the case against him. The lawyer was not called.
What bad?
All right, man.
What
So, Diego,
No, calm down.
chill. Don't come over here. Do not come over here. You're going to go too.
Yeah, two fucking options. Hey, give my phone. Give my phone. Right here. Hey, it was Darius. Give my phone. Give my phone.
Stop me.
You gonna snap my phone up to me?
Yeah, you can't have your phone. You're under arrest.
I'm not doing
No.
anything on my
No.
phone.
It's his property. It's going to go
You
with
can
him.
have it, Ladarius.
That's gonna go with you.
You can have it, Ladarius.
Okay,
It's
sir.
going to go
That's
with you.
my property can have to
No.
Ladarius.
No, it's going to
my
go with you.
property
It's
can
going to go
have
with you.
to him.
It's going to go with
That's
you.
my property.
Uh-huh.
I told my property can go to him.
You know what? You're right.
You know you can.
You know,
you
you're
can.
right. No,
you know you
I can, but I don't have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a favor to you. So we're going to get you into a car. All right?
All right, Ladarius, call.
Yep. He's been okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, come Hovely.
I don't know who that is.
And the fact that he is gonna arrest me is against my legal right.
It's not.
It is against
It's
my
not.
legal right because I'm not doing anything.
You are.
I was talking to you.
It's disorderly intoxication.
No, it's
You've
not.
created a disturbance
No,
here. And you have been refusing to leave because we keep trying to explain this to you and you're just won't. So. All right, cool.
Darius. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go
you need to
ahead.
back
Go
up if you
call
need
it.
to
Call it.
not get
Just
this
go
close.
ahead. Go ahead. Call me. 1025. 1025.
Sit down.
And you can go ahead.
Diego, you
you
gotta sit
go
down.
ahead. Push me. Push me.
You got to sit down,
Because it
Diego.
makes you feel better.
Thank you.
The intoxicated individual.
Diego was charged with disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute 856, 011 and felony trespass under 810, 09 for refusing to leave hotel property. Felony trespass carries up to 5 years. The prosecutor dropped the trespass charge. Diego was found guilty of disorderly intoxication. The officers get an A. They responded to an active disturbance, de-escalated patiently, and gathered a witness statement before making the arrest. Under Graham versus Connor, patru sutenozec, s. sembe basilio. The officer conduct is judged on the facts known at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. Diego gets a D. He invoked a lawyer 6 times. He never stopped talking. Under Miranda versus Arizona, tre sute opsec și patru. If you start, si by Sanchileo, once rights are waived. Every voluntary statement is admissible. Florida Statute 856, 011 does not require a fight. It requires intoxication in public, causing a disturbance. The manager described exactly that. On record, the right to remain silent existed the entire time. It went unused. Lesson: Invoking a lawyer and invoking silence are not the same thing. One stops questioning. The other does nothing unless you stop talking. If you want more body cam analysis, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Should the trespass charge have stuck? We'll see you in the next one.